I hope you all are doing well. So for today's recipe, please refer the video description for the list of ingredients. And after that, wash your chicken and pat dry, and add some salt as well as 1 spoon of turmeric powder, half a spoon of red chili powder, and mix it. Now leave it to marinate for around 1 hour at least, or for 2 to 3 hours. Pan and add 1 spoon of ghee, that means clarified butter, and 2 spoon of edible oil, and let them heat. And keep the heat to high medium. Once it is heated, add chicken pieces into it. And heat them on high heat or medium high heat depending on your gas for 5 minutes. Stay once in between and let them heat for 5 minutes on high medium heat or high heat depending on your burner. After 5 minutes, or when you start seeing the brown marks appearing on the chicken pieces, switch off the flame and take out the chicken pieces, leaving the oil behind. Set them aside till further usage. After taking out the chicken pieces, switch on the flame, and if needed, add little more oil in it. We'll fry the onions in it. Add onions into it. And let them fry till they start turning golden brown or light brown. Once the onions start becoming golden brown, switch off the flame and take out the onions, the fried onions, into a grinder. Add half of the curd, fried onions, and very little water, and we'll grind it to a smooth paste. Grinding, keep it aside. Now in the remaining curd, add all the powdered spices. And mix it well. Also add salt into it, and once mixed, keep it aside till further usage. Now take the remaining ghee in a pan, cooker, or some vessel with a heavy base, and let it heat on medium heat or high medium heat. Add all the whole spices into it and let them sort for a minute. Now add ginger garlic paste and let them sort. For 2 minutes. Now add the curd spice mixture and turn the flame to low, giving it a mix. Let it cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Add our onion paste to it, mix it well, and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Now add our chicken pieces into it, give it a good mix. Now let it cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Stay once in between, and also add corn flour mixed with 1 spoon of water. Again give it a mix. Let it complete 5 minutes. Now add some water to it. Cover the cooker and let it cook till the pieces are almost tender. And also you can close the cooker. I am closing the cooker here, and turn the flame to high, and we will wait for the first whistle on high flame, and then further wait for 2 to 3 whistles on low flame. And also please, before covering, please mix the water well. We have turned the flame to high and we'll wait for first whistle, and then we'll switch the flame to low, and then we'll wait for 2 to 3 whistles further, and then we'll wait for the steam to settle down naturally. After that, we'll open the cooker. Okay friends, see you after some time. Open the cooker and switch on the flame. Now check the tenderness of the pieces. If the pieces are tender enough, that's fine. Otherwise, let it cook till they are not tender. You can also cover it for some time till they become tender. Also, if you want to adjust any spices or any salt or increase or decrease the quantity of water, you can do it now. If you want to decrease the quantity of water, then let it escape through steam, and once we are done and the pieces are tender, we will transfer it to the serving bowl. Also, if you want to add garam masala, then you can add it, then let it cook for 2 minutes and then switch off the flame. Now we will transfer it to the serving bowl. I have added the garam masala here. Now we will let it cook for 2 minutes, then we'll switch off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. Very yummy and very delicious chicken korma ready to eat. You can enjoy it with roti, chapati, naan or rice. I agree that the preparation of this dish takes some time and also it takes some effort, but believe me, the taste of the dish justifies all the effort and all the hard work. So I suggest you to prepare at home, and if you follow the instructions in the video carefully and watch it 2-3 times, and also while preparing the gravy, preparing the dish, then keep the video open, and I'm sure the dish will come out wonderful and you are gonna like it. So I suggest please try this at home. It's very yummy and tasty. So guys, enjoy your chicken korma. I will see you again with a new recipe, with a new dish. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Have a good night.